and welcome back to Let's Learn Excel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications regarding such videos. Last session we saw how to validate data by applying data validation. Now we will have a look at some more features. Today we will look at VLookup function. VLookup is a valuable skill to learn and teach others also. VLookup is a powerful Excel function that allows users to look up and retrieve data from large data sets. It is widely used in various fields from data analysis to business operations. Learning VLookup can help you to enhance your Excel skills, increase productivity, and make more informed decisions based on the data. It's a fundamental concept that can be built upon to learn other advanced Excel functions. Function is used to look for a value in the leftmost column of the table and then return a value in the same row. Remember that it should be from the same row. From a column you specify. It may be any column, but it should be from the same row. The lookup value is the value you want to find. Now here lookup value is find out the value in the table and then return column's value. Now here range lookup is a boolean, that is the true or false, whether you want an approximate match or an exact match. Okay. Now let us have a look at one example. Now suppose you are a class teacher and there are 6 teachers under you for 6 different subjects. Now at the end of a term, every teacher gives you marks obtained by every student to you in a workbook. Now so you will have 6 workbooks. So what you have to do is you open an Excel sheet. Copy the marks given by the first teacher into your one of the sheets. Okay, and then similarly copy all the marks given by individual teachers into your workbook. Now for example, here I have done some homework here. Lookup 1 will contain the marks given by teacher 1 here in these columns and rows, and marks given by teacher 2 are stored here, right? So now your job is to combine these 2 marks in one row. Like for John we have to take 55 from this English column and 45 from this Hindi column. Now let us see how to do it. Now here I have the names of the students. Now here and 6 columns of the 6 subjects. Now we have to get the data from this lookup 1 sheet, right? So now in this English column we have to write one formula called VLookup equal to VLookup tab. Now it will say lookup value. This lookup value is, in this case it is John. The Excel will look for this value John into the table which we are giving it as a reference. So now this value it will be A5 here, and now here table array. In the table array what we have to do is you have to specify the name of the worksheet here. The worksheet here is lookup 1 exclamation mark here, and the range of the data. Range of the data in this case is A3 and colon B13, right? We will check this. and then the data from the second column should come here. So number 2 comma, it learns whether true, approximate match, false, exact match. We want false, so false, and then close the bracket and press enter. See here now 55 is come. Okay, now we will check the range. Look up here, John is in A3 and the marks are in second column of this row, right? So the range is from A3 here, A3 to B13. This contains the data regarding the English marks. Similarly for second subject, that is Hindi subject, the coordinates are, the table array starts with E3 here and ends with F13, E3 and F13, right? So here VLookup, VLookup tab. Now here the same value it should look for John, comma, look up one worksheet, E3 to F13, comma, second row of that table, and here false again, right? So now here 45 has come. This 45 it has taken from this table, E3 to F13, got the value of the second column of this row, right? So now this is how we got the values from the lookup table. Now we will just copy this and check now. See now here in this case Pooja has got 55. Let us check the marks given by the teacher. See, Pooja is 55. Here Hindi she got 30. Now we will copy this and check. Right. See here Pooja has got 30 here, Pooja has got 55 in English. This is how VLookup works. We saw how to use VLookup. In VLookup we had the data in a vertical format, that is the name of the student and the marks, name of the student and marks. Name of the students were in different rows, right? Now exactly opposite is the case with HLookup. HLookup, the rows which were there in VLookup, now they are in columns. See here, John, Suresh, Ramesh, are all these, all the names of the students are in columnar entry, and the subjects are become now rows. Now in this case, how to copy? Okay, how to write this function? The function HLookup already the similar way as VLookup works, except here column index number was there for VLookup, here row index. We have to give the row number for every column matched. Now here John is in row. Now we have to fetch English marks. So start with doing HLookup. Now what value to look is John here, comma. Now where is the array? A table array. A table array is here. So the entire we have to select this range, right? So now it has come J4 and to up to M10, right? Comma. Now for this John thing, the row is the first row, right? Sorry, it is in the second row. English marks are in the second row. So we have to give 2 here, comma, as it is false for exact match, and complete the formula and press enter. So now John has got 55. It has taken from this, whereas here in the table lookup the John is in column, here it is in row, right? This is how we HLookup works. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.